back at it. Got the water pump in. Got to tighten it down. Extra twist. Make sure it's secure. Alright. Let's put this cover back on. Alright, got that on. Let's tighten it down. And then I tighten all the way because that shit's gonna spin. Get my handy dandy screwdriver. Torque it some more, be right back. So I went ahead and put the belt back on because I know I couldn't hold my phone and put the belt back on. So, and if you want to screenshot yeah, there you go. There's the belt routing for 6.0. Alright, let's move on to this fan. And instead of using hand tools, I guess we use some power tools. We got this 3/8 brand. Yeah, should take it right off. Some one. Okay. And this is a thermal fan clutch. The one that was on it, I don't know why they're probably trying to cut costs, but depending on where you go, it's the same price. Thermal, non-thermal. Alright, non-thermal, just basically anytime that thing heats up, that fan's gonna be on. So for the main portion of you driving or whatever, that fan's gonna be on. But this thermal is controlled by the computer, you know. It's gonna let it heat up when it needs it. Well, cool off when it needs to, and you know what I'm saying, just let it breeze, I guess. Be easy breezy. So thermal, non-thermal. So let's go ahead and hook this up. Oh, got some fire ants. got that one started. It's hard to do stuff with just one hand, you know? Especially trying to do a video or something. Not a lot of people know this, but when you're tightening something, you can, but if you want it to evenly be flush, don't go just drip. You cross them, bam, bam, just in case you got a bind, you know. So that's on. All right, let me put this shroud in, and then I'll put the fan in. All right, I put the fan on. I gotta make a phone call real quick. I put the fan on. It's not tight, but I'm just showing you basically where I'm at. I'm gonna make a part 3. This clip for the thermal. Just hook it in. Oh, hook it in. Slide it down, and it connects right here. Like I said, I'll be back.